Now that you've gotten a better understanding of the Java language, it's time to start thinking about control flow. Moving through a program line by line in sequential order is not the only way to execute code. Perhaps you would like certain lines of your code to repeat several times. Maybe you would like some parts of your code to execute only when certain conditions are met. Java has many constructs that can be used in these situations. Some examples include the if statement, for loop, while loop, and do while loop. These control flow structures help you model more complex solutions to the problems that you may face when designing apps. By the time you finish these lessons, you'll have increased your knowledge of Java by adding the constructs I've just listed. You'll also gain a deeper understanding of when to use these constructs to make code more readable, more efficient, and easier to reuse in future projects. So let's get started.